welcome to Beautybyandreamichelle. This is today's look. This is a summertime bronze slash tropical sunset look. Today I'm specifically going to a concert, but you can use this look for any time that you are going out. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You hit that little notification bell so that when I upload a new video, y'all gonna be on top of it. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. So we're gonna jump right into our face. After you've moisturized, we're gonna go ahead and prime it with the Farsali Unicorn Tears. This stuff is amazing. Next, we're gonna go ahead and prime our lids with the Tarte Shape Tape. And after you apply the Shape Tape, you want to just blend this concealer all the way out to make sure there's no creasing. Now I'm going to go ahead and color correct a little bit, and I'm just putting some green on here. Now we begin the eyeshadow part. We're going to start off with a transition color, which is this nice golden Colourpop shadow, and it's called Paper Tiger. It's going to be great to start off this warm eyeshadow look, and we're putting this right in my crease. Moving on to my next shade, I don't have the name of this, but it's like a warm pink purple, and we're going to blend that into the crease. Okay, so on to the fun part. I'm going to be taking this really pretty rose goldy shadow, again from Colourpop. I'll provide the names. And basically you're going to see me create kind of like a gradient halo, if you will. I just apply the golds, then I go in with the sparkly magenta, and then a softer pink to kind of blend all these colors together. And again, I have the sunset theme in mind. So you want to be working back and forth with these shadows to make them really nice and blended. And yes, I am using my fingers. These shadows are super creamy and easy to work with. Moving on to the face now, I'm going to go ahead and color correct underneath my eyes and on my face with orange, green, you know the deal. And I'm going to be using one of my favorite foundations, which is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation. It's so awesome. It's like $6, super full coverage, lasts the entire day. Do yourself a favor and get you some. Alrighty then, on to concealer. I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Cosmetics Yellow Concealer, and then I'm going to go over it with good old Tarte Shape Tape, and then you want to blend your concealer out completely, girl, okay? Blend, 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 pat, pat, pat. To set my under eyes, lately I've just been using the Airspun powder with the Revolution London Banana powder, and then I just take whatever excess is on my brush and I pat the rest of my face, and that seems to do the job. Just kind of set everything on your face. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner, and we're just going to smoothly work out this wing, get it nice and fierce. Now, a lot of people ask me what the secret is to a good wing. I have one answer, and that is practice. Practice, practice, practice. And don't give up. It's not that hard. We're now going to go ahead and smoke out our lower lash line, and I'm going to start off with that yellow Paper Tiger color first, and then I'm going to go in with the purple colors and the reddish pink colors and smoke it all out. Moving on to contour and blush, I'm going to use this beautiful palette by the Balm Cosmetics. It's got contour and blush and like a softer color in between. It's really pretty. We're just warming up our face, not going really too crazy with the contour. But I love this palette. I'll list the name down below. It's great. I use it every day, so it's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to set my face with a little Fix Plus, and we're going to move on to one of the most exciting parts of this tutorial, eyelashes. These eyelashes are by Pure Cosmetics. They were honestly really comfortable, really easy to wear, and guess what? I wanted to show you what the application is like. I still struggle with eyelashes. I might do a video coming soon because, I don't know, I just feel like I still struggle with it and every time it's different. But don't give up, just keep trying, and remember, you can fix anything. You can make anything look bomb. So hopefully you guys like these lashes. Okay guys, so our last and final step is lips. I'm using this Colourpop lip liner. It's BFF number 3 I think, or just BFF. And the liquid lip is by the I Love Sade collection in the color Softy. I think it's just the right amount of red, brown tones. I think it went perfect. You can also use a nude lip for this look, but you know, I wanted to go all out and dramatic and whatever. Also, I forgot to show you my highlight in this, but it is by Ofra Cosmetics. I don't have the name, but you know that highlight be poppin'. Alright guys, so this completes today's look. This is the summertime oh my god. Summertime, for right now, this is a concert vibe, but it can be used for any vibe that you like. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I gotta go because my parents are rushing me. And have an amazing ass day.